We invited 50 of our top-level students to a community meetup here at the AJ&Smart office in Berlin. And we wanted to start things off with a bang. So we ran one of our favorite, one of the wildest icebreakers you're ever gonna see. If you've ever wanted to run an icebreaker for a team that makes people go wild from 0 to 100 just within a few seconds, check this one out. I think you're gonna like it. Have a look. Hello, everybody. It is very cool and very weird to see you all here in 3D form and not just like a flat, small box on the screen that I look at like every Tuesday. Although I've seen you in 3D form before, a couple of you. But yeah, welcome to the AJ&Smart office. It's really cool to have you here. Yeah, it's usually a private space. We usually don't have anybody here, so like even hosting people here is weird for us. We're like, how many people actually fit in? I think we could have fit in another like 10. What do you think, guys? Next time? There will be no next time. So yeah, first of all, thanks so much to the AJ&Smart team for pulling this off. It's been a long day, and I think it's, let's give them a little clap. And here's the agenda for the evening. Welcome and warm up is now. So, yeah, well, it's good. You're going to get warmer. So soon I'll be bringing my sister Rebecca up and we're going to do a warm up. And this is a warm up that Rebecca has not tried before. So it's like a new starting exercise that Rebecca wants to try.
Yeah.
She's like pretty convinced that it's going to be amazing.
I feel like it's going to have us all screaming and laughing and high energy.
We're going to test it on you guys before we actually test it on clients. So if it goes horribly wrong,
it could go horribly. I don't think it's going to go wrong though. I think it's going to be nice.
And yeah, I'll hand you over to Rebecca Courtney. I'm excited about it.
So the icebreaker that we're going to do, you're all going to know it, like you've played this before. It's rock, paper, scissors, but in a large group. So what I'm going to get you to do first is I'm going to organize you into 2 groups. You won't be able to have your phones or like drinks or glasses in your hands, so find a place to put them down. We'll get you organized into 2 groups. Okay, are you ready? We need just 2 lines that we have even numbers. You need to be facing somebody. So facing each other, okay? Alright,
Of course, and I was like, go.
This is massive. I didn't expect this number. So we're going to make sure that everyone has a partner. Just put your hands out like this and face your partner like that. And let's see. Let me see. That one's easy.
One thing, for anybody who doesn't know how this is done, if the facilitator who's leading it puts their hand up, everyone else put their hand up as soon as you see it, and then stop talking. Let's test it. Wait, no. Let's test it. Imagine I'm the facilitator here. Let's test it. All right, now everyone talk. That's how it's done.
Okay, thanks, John. Okay, now, does everyone know the basic rules of rock, paper, scissors? Yes? Yeah, never heard. So you're going.
So this is 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Then
So
the thing.
the 2 things that you need to know is it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and then either rock, paper, scissors. Okay, it's after the 3. That's one rule, and the second rule is it's best out of 3. The loser of that is going to become the winner's biggest cheerleader, hype man, hype person, and the winner is going to turn around, like put their hand up straight away and try to find the other person with the hand up so that you can challenge them.
Yes.
And it's going to keep going until it all boils down to 2 people who are going to be going against each other, and you're just shouting and roaring and hyping people up, okay?
One clarifying question. So somebody wins, say
Yes.
Lucy wins, I become Lucy's supporter. She takes on Tim.
Yeah.
I'm cheering on Lucy. Lucy beat Tim, kick his ass. Tim beats Lucy.
Okay.
Then me and Lucy both support Tim
Yes.
in the next round.
Yes.
Oh,
And
yeah.
then
That's
Tim
how the big
loses,
groups-
but then we all support Chris then in the
Yes,
next round.
you're
So
just
it rolls
constantly
over.
supporting the
Okay.
winner, okay?
That sounds
Alright, okay.
Let's do it now. Are you ready?
Are we ready? Ready? Yes. Wait, I want to get my phone for this. Hang on.
Take a phone call.
I don't know. All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Team Lucas.
Alright. Okay, so first of all, congratulations to Lucas.
I'm a workshopper.
Nice.
It ties at the back.
Protects from
all sorts of splashes. Liquid and solid.
So yeah, that was actually quite a fun
Yeah,
thing.
it worked. I
Yeah.
was just thinking to Jonathan, did it, as you were doing it, did it just all make sense and fall in together?
But
Yeah?
I like that it got like so loud and aggressive
Yeah.
so fast.
Like immediately. And I think it's really good for a group of people that don't really know each other, and immediately breaks down those barriers.
Yeah.
I think anyway, I think it was good.
It's super fast.
Yeah, super
It's
fast and
insanely
super
fast.
fun.
Yeah. Do you think, I don't know, I mean, I think that actually is a safe one to do with clients.
Yeah, definitely.
But there's also no
Definitely.
like physical contact
No,
and
no,
stuff,
no,
but it
it's
is
very good.
aggressive.
Yeah, it is. It's rowdy.
Yeah,
it's rowdy.
it's already. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you.
Enjoy yourself. That was kind of fun, wasn't it? Okay, if you like that video, if it was enjoyable, if it's something you're going to use, all I ask you for one favor. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, maybe leave a comment. That's it, that's all I ask for. It's a little agreement between you, between me. I don't want anything for this video. I'm not asking you to go anywhere. It's just a free video on YouTube. please like and subscribe. It does help us selfishly because more people see our video if you like and subscribe it. That's it. Would love you to do that. Bye bye. See ya.